Daily Life English Vocabulary with Examples. Hello everyone. Welcome to English Boost Motivation. Today's topic is Daily Life English Vocabulary with Examples. Vocabulary is the key to speaking English fluently. If you know the right daily words, you can speak easily in real life. So, in this 60-minute lesson, you will learn common daily English words, easy meanings, real-life example sentences, speaking practice. Let's begin. Part 1. Vocabulary for morning routine. 1. Wake up. Meaning. Example. I wake up at 7 a.m. 2. Brush. Meaning. Example. I brush my teeth every morning. 3. Shower. Meaning. Example. I take a shower before breakfast. 4. Breakfast. Meaning. Example. I eat breakfast at home. 5. Get dressed. Meaning. Example. I get dressed quickly. Practice sentences. Repeat slowly. I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I eat breakfast. I get dressed. Part 2. Vocabulary for home and family. 6. Kitchen. Example. My mother is in the kitchen. 7. Living room. Example. We sit in the living room. 8. Bedroom. Example. My bedroom is clean. 9. Neighbor. Example. My neighbor is very friendly. 10. Household chores. Meaning. Example. I do household chores daily. Practice. I clean my room. I help my family. I do chores at home. Part 3. Vocabulary for shopping and market. 11. Grocery. Example. I buy groceries every week. 12. Price. Example. The price is too high. 13. Discount. Example. I got a discount today. 14. Cash. Example. I paid in cash. 15. Customer. Example. The customer is waiting. Mini conversation practice. A. How much is this? B. It is 200 taka. A. Do you have any discount? B. Yes, 10%. Part 4. Vocabulary for school and study. 16. Homework. Example. I finish my homework. 17. Exam. Example. My exam is next week. 18. Notebook. Example. I write in my notebook. 19. Improve. Example. I want to improve my English. 20. Practice. Example. Practice makes you better. Speaking practice. Repeat. I study every day. I practice English daily. I want to improve. Part 5. Vocabulary for office and work. 21. Meeting. Example. We have a meeting at 10 a.m. 22. Deadline. Example. I must finish before the deadline. 23. Salary. Example. My salary is good. 24. Colleague. Example. My colleagues are helpful. 25. Promotion. Example. He got a promotion. Office practice. I go to work. I attend meetings. I respect my colleagues. Part 6. Vocabulary for health and daily problems. 26. Headache. Example: I have a headache. 27. Fever. Example: she has a fever. 28. Medicine. Example: take your medicine. 29. Appointment. Example: I have a doctor's appointment. 30. Rest. Example: you need some rest. Part 7. Daily feelings and emotions vocabulary. 31. Happy. Example: I feel happy today. 32. Nervous. Example: I feel nervous before interviews. 33. Excited. Example: I am excited to learn English. 34. Confident. Example: I feel confident now. 35. Proud. Example: I am proud of my progress. Target final motivation. Last minute. English vocabulary is your daily power. Learn 5 new words every day. Use them in sentences. Speak slowly. Stay confident. You will become fluent step by step. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.